the end of every week, each one of us becomes a freak. Tonight the DJ makes us move until the sweat drops from the roof. It's time to let the bass beat hard, so now we launch the louder part. Just activate your energy, let's sing the song and come with me. The speaker system brings the sound and light effects are spinning round. All the people on the floor, they shake their body, cry for more.
Rock Mace gonna rock the place.
Una mica més, va baix, eh?